Let's connect PropellerAds to wecantrack, so your affiliate conversions flow back into your campaigns. Start in PropellerAds and open conversion tracking. Under S2S tracking setup, pick your tracker. Now copy your S2S postback URL. Your AID and TID are inside it. Switch to wecantrack and open your website. Go to the Integrations tab. Search for PropellerAds and open it. Paste your AID and your TID into these two fields. Then open Features and switch on PropellerAds integration. Here's the recap. Your AID and TID come from the postback URL, and you add ppclid, set to the sub-ID macro, to your campaign's target URL. wecantrack now fires your PropellerAds conversions automatically when it attributes an affiliate sale. They can take up to a day to show. Want to connect more platforms? Check out our other integration guides